Ready?
Yeah.
All right, people. This is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge, the new location in the Dominican Republic. All right. So this is a preview. Carmen, what's wrong with you?
No, mira, ese
This
video
is
va al
this
otro
is
lado.
this is a little preview. Okay, we're gonna have a party on the weekend. Smile and move your hand. What is that? We're gonna have a little party. This is two of the girls that's gonna be working with me. My friend, she's gonna bring all of her friends here, beautiful like her, and then some. So we're gonna have a party, a fiesta. Wednesday they're gonna be here, and for the weekend they're gonna be here. Tons of beautiful girls in the new Mosha's Reggae Lounge location in Sosua. This is Carmen. Carmen works here. Carmen. Everybody knows Carmen. And what is your name, baby? What is your name?
My name is Pamela.
Pamela. Okay, this is Pamela. Pamela gonna be here. And mi amiguita. Mi amiguita, ¿dónde tú eres? I asked where she lives.
I live in Santo Domingo.
She lives in Santo Domingo. And tú estás aquí ahora?
Sí.
Okay, she's gonna come to help us out. Okay? And she's gonna bring all of her beautiful friends here. All of the beautiful friends. Sí, mi amor. Dime qué tipo de chicas, amigas tú tienes.
Todo
¿Qué
tipo,
quiere?
O sea, todo lo que los chicos necesitan.
She said all kinds of girls, whatever you like to make you happy, to drink, to chill, she have. And these girls are more quiet, that they're gonna work for me. But I just want to put up this video so people know that now I have a new location and Carmen speaks perfect English. So when you come, you have a problem. She speaks a little English and she speaks English. So this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge. Oh, by the way, guys, the new Mosha Reggae Lounge is gonna be different. It's gonna be like nothing. I opened because everybody was forcing me to open. But in 2 weeks or so, you're gonna see. All right, guys. So, Mosha signing out from the new Mosha's Reggae Lounge. Thank you, little bunnies. Boom, 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 boom. You see that? At the boom shack. At the boom shack. This is the new round.